You're gonna have to say that this video is not for children.
I think that's gonna be my intro.
Not for children.
Is it like super crooked?
A bit.
This whole video is just gonna be us laughing the whole time. Welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this granny square source book. Today's video is very exciting because I have my friend with me.
Oh my god!
Yay! Welcome, Mia!
Hi everyone!
Today's video is all about the lemon square and the orange square. I want to teach my friend how to read these because I didn't know how to read them. You don't know how to read them.
I don't know how to read that.
Now I kind of know how to read it, so I want to teach you.
Perfect, give me the knowledge.
We're going to start with something very easy, the leaf that will go on the fruit. You're going to take one end of this and I'm going to take the other because I only brought one yarn.
It's like the movie with the dogs.
The movie with the dogs?
Eating spaghetti out of one spaghetti.
You can either read the text or you can look at the drawing. I sometimes find in this book things are a little confusing, so I switch between both, which is great because I'm learning both.
All there is to that is X's, O's, T's, and so it's a little confusing.
But once you get them, you get them.
Okay, open eye.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just going to be like a barf of...
It's very hard to see.
So you half double crochet once, half double crochet twice in the next.
The X here?
That's a single crochet. Started from here. We went this
way. We
way.
started from here.
Yeah.
And I do that all the way down?
Just twice. So once, and then the next one
in the next one, right? Not in the same one?
No.
Okay, good. See guys,
But
I know how to crochet. But I don't know how to read.
I can't read.
I can't read.
That's good? You done? Perfect. Now we're at the double crochet. So you see this one was one in each chain and this one is two in the same.
Yep, okay.
So you want to do 3 single crochets in this one, which will essentially
then...
make your work turn on itself, you know?
Yeah.
You see how you have like your little knot right here? I tried to like push it at some point so that one of the single crochets is on the other side of the knot.
Yeah.
Just so it actually helps with the end product. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I do that.
Yeah, okay.
That's usually my motto in crochet. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but I do it.
We don't know how to do anything. Like, would you do
I would just take one.
this, or would you do like only this?
I think you're supposed to take 2 though, now that you show me. But again, I don't think it matters.
Okay, I'll do, well, we'll have 2, we'll compare.
Perfect. Remember your first single crochet is right here, so you want to just slip into this, do a slip stitch, and then you chain 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Cut it off, and then you have a little leaf.
And like when you do this, do you like chain 1 more and then cut, or do you just like cut?
What do you mean?
Like
I chain 5 and then I cut.
Right away?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Do you chain 5 and chain an extra one?
Sometimes I chain an extra one.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
I feel like if I cut here, will I have my last chain, or will it be a knot?
Oh, that's such a
Like
good
knot.
question. Actually, I don't know. I just chain 5 and then I cut and then I pull through that last chain that I made. Maybe someone can answer us.
Eventually.
I think you did great. Oh, it's a little longer.
I mean, it's because I crochet looser and you crochet tighter.
I do crochet very tightly.
Sometimes my squares are quite big.
But sometimes people ask me, like, what size are the granny squares in the end? And I'm like, they just vary from one square to another. They're not the same.
That's
but
true.
I think that'll be a good thing to show everyone. Before actually getting into the square, you're going to do the circle.
What am I doing? I'm doing the orange one.
Because it's simpler.
I should be doing this one so that I fuck up.
No. Because I'm hoping I'm going to use them in my project in the end.
Okay, good.
I'm doing the lemon because I don't even know how to do the weird shape yet. You're going to do the circle because it's a nice practice.
She doesn't trust me, guys.
I do trust her.
She doesn't think I can make a lemon.
I just really wanted to make the lemon, okay?
Okay, you do the lemon.
I'm sorry, do you want to do the lemon?
I want to do the lemon.
Confusing. I hope the camera mic picks that up. Sweet, sweet, sweet candy body.
Welcome back to my channel. Today,
are you taking over?
Today, I have a special guest. Introduce yourself.
Oh, my name is Emily. I have a YouTube channel.
I'm my channel so that I can get more views.
We have to do a video on your channel though. We have to
No, I don't have a channel. Don't look me up.
She does not do
No.
ASMR.
No. These videos are private.
Okay.
It's a private collection.
For the magic circle, you know how to make it. You just whoop it around and then
Yeah.
chain 1. I never know if that initial tying is a chain or if it isn't. So sometimes I count it and sometimes I don't. Let's say for the purpose of this video, it counts as a chain. Okay. I think that's what you're supposed to do,
I think
but
so
I'm
too.
not sure. I lose count all the time.
Me too. And then sometimes my girlfriend asks me, "Do you even know how to count?"
You can't read, you can't count.
I can't.
You're illiterate.
Don't skip on kindergarten, guys. Kids, if you're listening.
They're not, it's not for them.
It's not for you! Turn it off! I lost my count again. Stop talking to me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, I was the one. I'm the problem. I'm the problem, it's me.
Perfect. And now you're at this point.
I do 2 double crochets in every single one of them.
As long as in the end you have 24.
I'm usually on my own taking executive decisions.
I think with crochet it's just very forgiving, which is why
It
it's
is.
such an amazing craft. Everyone can do it, and if you make a mistake, you can undo whatever you did.
Compared to what? Is there a community you want to piss off right now?
Like painting or drawing or like
knitting?
I don't like knitting. Yeah, I'm sorry. I tried.
But I'm trying to make you knit for 5 minutes. Do you have something to say?
I prefer crochet. I know how to knit. I just don't enjoy it.
I'm stirring up some
Drama.
drama. Whatever you try first will be easier to do. Like, we started with crochet, so knitting was a bit harder.
I've known how to knit my whole life. I just don't enjoy it.
I was trying to figure out.
Thank you. Thank you for trying.
I was trying to give you a redeeming arc.
I'm like so honest. I'm like, yeah, no, I hate it. I don't know. Knitting just takes forever. Maybe if I had one of those machines, you know? That knit.
Yeah, well then, you're not knitting. Maybe if I had a machine that knitted for me, I would appreciate knitting better.
But you know what machines I'm talking about? It's kind of handmade because it's like that you do the back and forth, and then you do have to place the yarn yourself.
Yeah, but then you're not making the movements of knitting. You're not like
true.
But I know what you mean. But it's like for me, it was really hard at first knitting. Like I wanted to throw my needles away. You have to keep going for 3 days of hell that you will not enjoy. It's 3 days of pure hell. Then something happens and you love it. At least that's what happened to me.
I don't know. I had 3 days of hell and then I gave up.
I did 2 on every single one of them.
So how many are you missing now?
Just one.
So yeah, you just add an extra one and it'll be fine.
It's fine. I mean,
I don't understand that.
It's totally fine. I'm fine. The written instructions are way clearer because here it said double crochet in same. This one said not to double crochet in same.
And visually you can see it too.
Okay,
so this is the chain and then in the next one you do 2.
Okay.
Whereas this one was in the same.
Yeah, totally. You have to ask questions.
Yeah, but when you're alone it's so much harder.
Well, because you're asking the questions to yourself.
And you don't have the answer.
No, but we're 2 brains now.
Yes,
So we have
two
two
brain
brain
cells.
Y después vámonos a hacerlo en español.
Are you okay?
We're just gonna...
Did I sit on like the remote control and put you in Spanish by mistake?
Because with crochet, I find that when I try to make clothing, it is a bit stiffer.
Yeah, I have noticed that as well, which is why I was trying to get into knitting. I have seen a video where someone steams acrylic and then it becomes like all nice and flowy.
It's weird because like I can crochet with an audiobook, but like if I have to be talking, I'm just losing my count all the time.
See, I just look for the pattern and then I do the pattern and then when I'm done with that row, then I count it to see if I did it right.
Yeah.
Because if I try counting and remembering that pattern, I'm not going to remember. So right now I'm just going 2, 1, 2, 1.
2, 1, 2, 1.
Yeah. And then after all that, I'll check if I have like 36 in the end.
Yeah. Because like what is super hard is when you have to alternate.
Our lives are so hard.
Our lives are super hard. Just chilling in a cottage. talking is really hard for me. So
counting is hard, reading is hard, talking is hard.
Like, could you please stop interacting with me? I won't shut up. I won't shut up. Sorry, you'll never invite me on your channel over.
That's not true. I'm having so much fun.
No, next time, guys, we'll crochet ASMR.
Oh, on your channel. That does not exist.
It does not exist. Is that the real name in the song?
Her name was Lola.
Is it really?
So. I thought that was the song you were talking about earlier.
No, I'm talking about the Kinks. Lola, la la la.
Hey Google. I don't know that song.
No?
No.
Lola.
That's the song I thought you were talking about earlier.
No. Lola. She was a showgirl.
Ba, 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 ba.
So when you follow instructions, things work out.
Oh my god, so smart.
Things work out.
Do you think it applies if you read a manual?
No.
It's going too far. Emily.
Stop right there. Oh wow, how pretty. You crochet so tight. Like, look. Ah, Jesus Christ.
Maybe we'll be back. We finished our shapes, so I have a lemon, you have an orange. Now onto the background. The background is the square moment. That confuses me. If you get the count wrong, that's when the issues arise. But again, I'm sure it's fine.
You've never done anything wrong in your entire life, so I don't know why you're worried.
So
Is
the
this a
background.
standing stitch?
Do this knot, whatever it's called, I
Yeah.
don't remember. And then I go where I'm supposed to go, which would be here. I loop it in, and then I single crochet.
Is that what I'm
I think that's what we're supposed to do.
all this time?
I know, right? I didn't know either.
This is not okay.
I wish people would have told me.
What? Does that mean every single project I've ever done will disintegrate?
No, I won't disintegrate. I just think this is an easier way to join colors.
But
in
like
granny
also
square.
maybe sturdier? Honestly, it looks like what we did
Yeah.
the other times. So maybe
Yeah.
it's just simpler. Let's hope it's simpler and not sturdier.
I mean, if it's both, that's also okay. Because
Yeah, but everything we've done so far in our lives will be wrong.
It won't be wrong. It'll just be different.
It'll be wrong.
It'll be different.
It'll be wrong.
Different is okay, guys.
Different is not okay. You should conform to societal norms. What's your favorite thing to crochet? What's your favorite thing?
What is your favorite thing to crochet?
For the people in the back! Nobody has ever said that I wasn't speaking loud enough before. Usually they tell me to shut up.
That's not true. I never tell you to shut up.
Thank you.
You're perfect. Anyone who says that, I'll beat him up. Beat him up.
Beat him up, beat him up. So what
What
is...
is my favorite thing to crochet?
I spat on your book.
Oh.
That's all you deserve.
What is your favorite thing to crochet?
Plushies.
Uh,
Amigurumis.
yes.
Yeah.
That is fun. I really like granny squares.
I feel like the animal granny squares, it feels like almost a plushie, like a
True.
amigurumi.
Excuse me. Okay. Okay, so we'll be right back once we're done with the backgrounds. See you soon. Did you finish your square? Is it a square?
It's a square, but I feel like it looks wonky.
I think it just needs to be blocked. By stretching it out just ever so slightly, it's going to make it look perfect, I'm sure. I think it works.
Something looks weird. The orange part doesn't look round. Look at
The
yours.
leaf on
When
it.
they're round here, they don't look square at all.
That's true. But
So
also I
something looks weird.
have way more practice.
It doesn't change that if it was made right, something's deeply wrong.
No, not deeply. I honestly think it's not that bad.
No, it's bad.
No, it's not. I really don't think so. Okay,
No.
how about we let people judge, and they
No.
will tell us.
Take this off. Cut the cameras.
We'll be right back. Okay, so do you want to show off your square?
I don't know, guys. So earlier, I was in the pit of despair. Guys, the orange is a little square. Okay? I'm not gonna lie to you.
I honestly don't think it's that bad.
Do they see? Can you see? It It looks so square.
Come back here, come back here.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't look at my orange. Emily, tell them why it's square.
Okay, I think
It's not my fault.
It's not your fault, and honestly, it's not that bad. It's not that square. I think I've done personally way worse. I think this square is a success. This granny square is a success, okay? I think the issue was this is not the same exact brand and model of yarn, and this one, the white that is the outside, is a little thicker.
She's thicker.
She is thicker than the orange. So the orange is a little smaller, and the background is a little larger. So it just overall makes it weird tension-wise.
Square. It makes it square.
It's okay, we still love her.
It's kind of cute. She's fine, but guys, look at the lemon.
Wait.
The lemon is a success.
Okay, there you go. Oh, look at how cute that is.
It is so cute, and it's lemon shaped. It's beautiful, and the color combo is cute. To be fair, I do think this color combo is also cute.
It is cute.
Yeah, I think so.
I feel like it's kind of almost a citrouille.
A pumpkin.
Pumpkin. See, if we say it's a pumpkin, then it's adorable.
To be fair, I would feel better if we said it's a pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin, guys.
So we have
Oh
to
my god.
Scratch everything. Scratch the footage.
Guys, we just finished.
The pumpkin. Oh, it is Halloween. It is Halloween.
It is Halloween.
Spooky season. No, but like if it's a pumpkin, it's an okay pumpkin, I think. But the lemon is really cute though.
The lemon is very cute.
I need to leave the granny squares to the professionals and stay in my lane.
Did you learn anything by doing this?
Did I learn anything? Yes, I did, because I didn't know how to read.
I taught you how to read.
You taught me how to read. I'm forever grateful to you.
Pleasure. My pleasure.
No, but to be fair, I didn't know how to read the patterns, like the drawn,
Like the diagrams?
the diagrams. I didn't know how to read those, and now I kind of do a little bit more, but they're still a bit confusing.
They are a little confusing.
There's still a little bit of a mystery.
Yeah.
But they can keep their secrets.
But now you
Okay.
see what I'm saying? Like sometimes I figure it out.
Yeah.
And that's okay.
And now I understand, like, all the effort you put into these granny squares because I was losing my mind. And it's supposed to be it's simple. To be fair, this one was really simple, but I had to redo it a couple times, and then Emily helped me to try and figure out what the hell was wrong.
But your math was correct, so honestly,
My math was mathing.
I really do believe it's just the size of the yarn.
I swear,
So, my bad.
I'm smart.
And that's my fault, because I brought this yarn. My fault. On that note, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!
I said we, but it's me.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys next
Okay.
time.
Remake the outro.
On that note, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Thank you, bye!
We're done with this color. How fun was that?
I think you're gonna have to cut at some point. I said yarn nussy.
What?
Do you know what the yarn nussy is?
No?
It's like, do you know what a bussy is?
No?
I can't even edit that out. Because you have the pussy, you have the bussy, the butt pussy for the both.
Oh! And then the yarn.
And you have the yarn nussy. And I think you didn't. I don't know.
I didn't know what that was. I just ignored it.
So you have to beware of the moment I see yarn nussy.
I don't think anyone is gonna. If they do, then they're old enough to know. You know?